Do I look okay?
You look absolutely wonderful.
Really? You're not just saying that? You look like a little penguin. LEO. That's a compliment. It really isn't.
There. Perfect.
I can do this.
Books, pencils, notebook, lunchbox.
Is everything okay?
You have everything you need.
What if I forget something at school?
Here. Take this.
What is it?
Your lucky charm. For a brave day.
Thank you, Dad. Very stylish, little penguin. I'm gonna tell Mom you called me that again.
Leo, shoes. Now.
It's not my first day. Why do I need shoes?
Ready?
Yeah?
I think so. I feel a bit nervous. That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way.
Even you? On your first day? Especially me.
Okay, let's go.
There will be so many kids there.
And some of them will be your friends by lunchtime.
How do you know?
Because you are easy to like, Anna.
Dad. It's so big.
I'm right here with you.
Okay,
I'm ready.
that's our girl.
Go on, little penguin.
Good morning. Welcome to Meadow Lane.
Good morning. My name is Anna.
What a lovely name. I'm Miss Kay.
She seems kind.
I'll be right here at 3 o'clock. Promise? Promise. You are braver than you know.
I will try my best. Okay, here we go.
Everyone, this is Anna. She is joining us today.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you.
That girl looks so organized. Anna, your seat is right there.
Thank you, Miss Kay. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm Anna. Is this your first day too? No, I've been here 1 week.
1 week already?
You look like you know everything.
I don't, but I know where the pencil sharpener is.
That's actually really useful. Name tag. Where is my name tag? It was here. I had it this morning. I can't find it. Are you okay? I think I lost my name tag. Let me look. I have good eyes. Thank you. I feel a bit sick.
What are we looking for?
My name tag. I had it. Now it's gone.
I think I can see something near the table leg.
Really?
Here it is, safe and sound.
Oh. Oh, thank you so much.
There. Now it's fixed tightly.
I was really worried.
It happens. The important thing is, we found it.
I'll be more careful next time. I lost mine on day 1 too. You did?
Today we will write our names. Watch carefully.
I can do this. Nice and neat. A, N, N, A. That's me. That's really neat writing. Thank you. I practiced at home. Yours is beautiful too. I practiced a lot as well.
Choose your favorite color and decorate your name.
I love red. It's bright and warm. I like blue. It's calm and cool. We have very different tastes. Oh no, it's broken. Here, you can use mine. I have another one. Thank you. That really helped me. That felt good.
Time for a short break. Please line up at the door.
Break time. Okay. Everyone already knows each other. Do you want to play together? Yes. I'd really like that. This is really fun. It's simple, but I like it. Can I tell you something? Yes. What is it? I was really nervous this morning, too. What? But you looked so confident. I was pretending. I do that when I'm scared. I didn't know. You fooled me completely. Does it help to pretend you're brave? Maybe. Or maybe asking for help is better. My name tag is still there. I checked mine twice already.
What is this object? Can anyone tell me?
I know this one.
You know this. Put your hand up.
Are you sure?
Yes, Anna? It's a book. Very good answer, Anna. Well done.
I did it. I actually did it. Having a friend makes everything easier.
Work together with your partner. Complete the picture.
Okay, let's try. I think this piece goes here. Yes. And this one fits there. No, that's wrong. Try turning it. Like this. It fits. We're nearly done. We did it! We worked really well together.
Excellent teamwork, girls. I'm very impressed.
Thank you, Miss Kay.
Well done today, everyone. See you tomorrow.
It's over. I did it. See you tomorrow, Anna. See you tomorrow, Lily. Tomorrow will be better, right? Tomorrow will be even better. I promise. Still here. I checked it 10 times today. Mom, Dad. Welcome back, Penguin. That sign is ridiculous.
How was your first day?
It was really good. Actually, really good.
You look happy.
I am happy. I made a friend.
Already? On day one? I need details.
Her name is Lily. She's very organized.
Your name tag is still there.
I checked it 10 times. Maybe 11. I lost it for a moment, though. In the classroom.
What happened?
It fell off. I couldn't find it. I panicked a bit.
That sounds scary. What did you do?
I asked Miss K for help. And Lily helped too.
That was exactly the right thing to do.
That was a big day. So, 10 out of 10? 8 out of 10. The name tag scared me. 8 is great for a first day.
What did you learn today, Anna?
A lot. But the important thing? It's okay to be nervous. Everyone is nervous.
And?
It's okay to ask for help when you need it. Even from a teacher? Especially from a teacher.
I'm very proud of you.
Tomorrow will be easier.